Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about IPC instrumentation process control. Unit number 8 stability part. Last points છે. Previous lecture માં આપણે example 14.1 અને 2 જોયું હતું. This is 14.3 last for example અને sum 1 summaries. તો સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ example 14.3. Using tau 1 is equal to 1 છે, tau 2 is equal to 1 half, tau 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Determine the values of Kc for which the control system in a figure 14.1 is stable, and part B, for the value of Kc for which the system is on the threshold for instability, determine the roots of the characteristics equations with the help of this theorem third one. Okay, જે theorems આપણે જોઈ ગયા હતા, this is the array system, જે આ ફોર્મ્યુલાના બેસિસ પર આપણે એક્ઝામ્પલ પ્રીવિયસમાં સોલ્વ કર્યો હતો. દેન this is the theorems. ઓકે, તો થર્ડ થિયરમને યુઝ કરવાનો છે. this is one, c s square plus d is equal to 0 નો. ઓકે, again repeated, which is the value using tau 1 is equal to 1, tau 2 is equal to 1 half, tau 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Determine the value of Kc for which the control system in a figure 14.1 is stable. B, for the values of Kc for which the system is on the threshold in a instability. Determine the roots of the characteristic equations with the help of this theorem third one. જે c s square plus d is equal to 0 છે, એ યુઝ કરવાનું છે. and which one the part of the solution? This one. The characteristic equations 1 plus g of s is equal to 0 becomes 1 plus kc by s plus 1 in a bracket માં s by 2 plus 1 is over in bracket માં s by 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. ઓકે, આ જે ટર્મ આપી છે એના બેઝિસ પર આપણે જોવાનું છે. ઇક્વેશન્સ કયું છે આપણું? 1 પ્લસ કેસી બાય એસ પ્લસ 1 ઇન અ હોલ બ્રેકેટ એસ બાય 2 પ્લસ 1 ઇન અ બ્રેકેટ ઇઝ ઓવર અને એસ બાય 3 પ્લસ 1 ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 0. તો રીએરેન્જમેન્ટ ધીસ ઇક્વેશન્સ, તો સોલ્યુશન કયું આવશે એ જોવાનું છે આપણે. Rearrangement of this equation for use in the Routh test gives, જે રાઉથ એરેની સિસ્ટમ છે એને આપણે ફોલો કરીને આ એક્ઝામ્પલ સોલ્વ કરવાનો છે. s cube plus 6s square plus 11s plus 6 of 1 plus k is equal to 0. આ જે ફોર્મ્યુલા છે એને આપણે સોલ્વ કરવાનું છે. The rearrangement of this equation for the Routh array is one, this one. આ સ્ટેપનો એક્ઝામ્પલ આપણે આગળ જોઈ ગયા છે. વેલ્યુઝ ઓફ 14.1 એક્ઝામ્પલ આપણે જોઈ ગયા છે. ધીસ વન, રાઉથ ટેસ્ટ એરે. રાઉથ એરેમાં ધીસ ફોર્મ્યુલા અને થિયરમ્સ ઓફ ધીસ ટેસ્ટ cs square plus d 14.1. ઓકે, તો આ એક્ઝામ્પલ આપણે ઓલરેડી જોઈ ગયા છે. વિચ વન ઇઝ ધ વેલ્યુઝ સી એસ સ્ક્વેર પ્લસ ડીના બેઝિસ પર. તો જોવાનો છે આપણે એનું મેઇન એક્ઝામ્પલ 14.4 અને સમરી એન્ડ ગાઈડ ફોર ધીસ ફર્ધર. Okay, now we simply use of this array, Routh array system, this one આ સિસ્ટમને આપણે ફોલો કરવાની છે, વિચ ઇઝ ધ ઇક્વેશન યુઝ ધીસ વન. v1 is equal to a1 a2 minus a0 a3 by a1 and v2 is equal to a1 a4 minus a0 a5 by a1 and c1 is equal to b1 a3 minus a1 b2 by b1 and c2 is equal to b1 a5 minus a1 b3 by b1. Okay, so simply find this row and column માં જે વેલ્યુ આવે છે પ્રમાણે 10 minus kc in a very much greater than 0, the kc less than 10, it is conclude that a system will be stable only if kc less than 10, which agrees with the figure 14.2. Sorry, at a kc is equal to 10, the system is on the instability part. This equation is a cs square plus d is equal to 0, and where c and d are the elements in the n minus 1 nth row. For this problem with a kc is equal to 10, we obtain and a cs square plus 66 is equal to 0 and s is equal to plus or minus j under root 11. Therefore, two of the roots on the imaginary and the axes are located root 11 part plus or minus negative 1. The third root can be found by the expressing this is the equations 14.11 in a factored form s minus s1, s minus s2 and s minus s3. Where the s1 and s2 and s3 are the roots, introducing the two imaginary roots, s1 is equal to j under root 11, x2 is equal to minus j under root 11 into the this section 14.12, and the multiplying out of this term it gives the s cube minus s3 s square plus 11s and 11s3 is equal to 0. The values કઈ કઈ મળે છે આપણને? Comparing these equations with equation 14.11, we see that s3 is equal to minus 6. The roots of the characteristic equations are therefore s1 is equal to j under root 11, s2 is equal to minus j under root 11 and s3 is equal to minus 6. Okay, for this example determine the stability of the system shown in figure 14.1 for which is a proportional integral control is used. Tau 1 is equal to 1, tau 2 is equal to 1 half, tau 3 is equal to 1 by 3, kc is equal to 5 and tau I is equal to 0.25. The solution of these characteristic equations is 1 plus kc by tau 1, tau 2, tau 3, tau 1s plus 1 divided by tau 1s in a whole bracket ma s plus under root 1 by tau 1 in whole bracket s plus 1 plus tau by 2 in a whole bracket 1 s plus 1 by tau 3 is equal to 0. Using the parameter given above these equations leads to the s raised to 4 plus 6s cube plus 11s square plus 36s plus 120 is equal to 0. s raised to 4 plus 6s cube plus 11s square plus 36s plus 120 is equal to 0. Notice that the order of these characteristic equations has increased from the 3 to 4 as a result of adding integral actions to the controller part. The Routh error becomes this one formula. So how to find out the value? Equations છે આપણી પાસે already. Routh error system ની this one અને ફોલો કરીને આપણે વેલ્યુ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાની છે b1 b2 c1 c2. Okay, this is the find is all value this basis. b1 b2 અને c1 c2 ની વેલ્યુ ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરવાની. Okay, because there is a two sign changes in the first column. We know from the theorem 2 of the Routh test, two roots have positive real parts. From the previous example we know that the Kc is equal to 5. The system is stable with a proportional to control with integral actions present. However, the system is unstable for Kc is equal to 5. Which is the theorem? This one, second one. If some of the elements in the first column are the negative, the number of roots which with a positive real part in the right half plane is equal to the number of sign changes in the first column. Okay, if one pair of roots is on the imaginary axis equidistant from the origin and all other roots are in the left half plane, all the elements of the nth row will vanish and none of the elements if the preceding row will vanish. The location of the pair of the imaginary roots can be found by the solving this equation cs square plus d is equal to 0. Where the coefficient c and d are the elements of the array in the n minus 1th row as read from left to right respectively, we shall find this the last rule to be the value in the roots locus method. Okay, the presented in the next chapter also, and the algebraic from the determined this example. The stability is limited in the usefulness. Okay, it is does not give us any idea of the degree of stability or the roots of the characteristics equation. Okay, now the simply last one is a summary. This one first read it. Definition of the stability આપણે ઓલરેડી જોઈ ગયા છે. Okay, which is the value first of all the stability criterion. First concept of the stability તે જ વસ્તુ જોઈ ગયા હતા આપણે. And the definition of the stability for a linear system માં stability criterion, characteristic equations, Routh test for stability, Routh array, method of root locus for stability and analysis. Okay, Routh array ને આપણે એક્ઝામ્પલ બી સોલ્વ કર્યા છે, એના બેઝિસ પર જોયું છે ઘણી બધી વસ્તુ. This is simply summary part. અને તમારે એક્ઝામ્પલ સોલ્વ કરવા હોય તો આ રીતના એક્ઝામ્પલ છે, તમે સોલ્વ કરી શકો છો. ઓકે, રાઇટ ઓન ધસ ડેટા Routh array સિસ્ટમ માટે. 14.2 kc is equal to 2 વેલ્યુ આપી છે. ઓકે, નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં આપણે જોઈશું ફ્રીક્વન્સી રિસ્પોન્સ ઓફ ધ એનાલિસિસ. ઓકે, થેન્ક યુ સો મચ.